It's our time. 우린 달라. 특별한 게 좋아. Oh, what a good time. 넌 잘 살아. 내 걱정 낭비야. 네가 보낸 DM을 읽고 나서 답이 없는 게 내 답이야. That's my style. OOTD 하나까지 완전 우리답지. My favorite things. 그런 것들은 좀 점수를 매기지만 난 생겨먹은 대로 사네. 뭘 더 바래. That's my style. 지금까지 한 적 없는 custom fit 올려대는 나의 feed and like it 몰린 듯이 눌러 모두 다 like it 내가 추는 춤을 다들 따라춰 매일 너의 알고리즘에 난 떠 걷잡을 수 없이 올라 미친 sport 그 누구도 예상 못할 19s kids 우리만의 자유로운 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 달콤한 말.
Okay, so how do we do Gaussian elimination? Okay, so let's try this example question here. Okay, since there are three equations, we are going to solve this using the 3x3 method. For the first step, let's change the top left element into 1. We can achieve this by swapping the first and second row. Next, for step 2, we are going to change the far left elements in the second and third row into zeros. For the second row, we can do it by subtracting the second row with 2 times the first row. As for the third row, it's the same formula, but use row 3 minus with 3 times the first row. So moving on to the third step, let's change the 3 in the middle into 1. This one is quite simple actually. We're just going to multiply the second row with 1 over 3. And remember, every time we going to change something, we have to change all the elements in the row. And then for the fourth step, we're going to change the number 5 at the middle of the third row into 0. The formula for this one is row 3 minus 5 times row 2. Okay, so now for the one final change, let's change the negative 1 into positive 1. For this step, just multiply everything in the third row with negative 1. Now that we have the row echelon form, we can proceed with the equations. Let's start by solving the third row to get the value of z, which will be 0x plus 0y plus 1z equals to 3, which means z is equals to 3. Now, to get the value of y, we have to solve the second row, which is 0x plus 1y plus 0z equals to negative 2, which means y is negative 2. Now that we have those two values, the values of y and z, we can finally find the value of x. To find the value of x, we have to solve the first equations, which is x minus 2y plus z equals to 8, and we must substitute the value of y and z, which is x minus 4 plus 3 equals to 8. Now we get the answer x equals to 1. So the full answer is x equals to 1, y equals to negative 2, and z equals to 3. The answer is 1, negative 2, and 3. I hope that you understand my explanation. Now that you understand how to use the Gaussian elimination method, here are some exercises that you can try at home. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and we will try to help you. That's all from us. Thank you.